Hi to everyone who's still with me on my channel. My last video is about 2 years old, or over a year at least, where I announced my big remodeling project on our house. I was very busy and I haven't been able to upload all the videos I made, but for the time being I thought I may as well just send you a little update on what's going on here. And there's pretty much going on here. This is the second floor, which is almost done and is getting the Screed poured tomorrow. This is the subfloor radiant heating. I just finished, and I'm just documenting the way I routed the tubing. So in case I would have to, at some point in time, drill into the Screed, I would at least know where not to, which is basically on 100% of the floor, but especially where the doors are, I still have a little bit of room to play in case I need to add anything here. This is the bathroom. I just put all the equipment and all the tools away for now because I need the floor to be completely free for tomorrow's Screed delivery. This will be the bedroom. The fireplace is not yet ready. Still have to put on the masonry around it. This is where the bed goes when everything is finished. Basically everything in here is finished. The electrical, the plumbing, the heating. I just wait for the Screed, which it will inevitably put in a lot of moisture to be cured before I will install the ceiling. The ceiling will be a wooden ceiling, and I don't want the wood to warp and get all soggy and maybe moldy. So I wait for the Screed to cure, for the water to evaporate, and then I will finish the ceiling, and these rooms will be done by then. This will be a combination of laundry room and clothes storage area. I will put my wardrobe in here somewhere and such. These are the provisions for the heater and dryer. Dryer went is behind this place here. This is for the washer and hot and cold and power. There will be a folding door in this opening when it's all said and done. Oh, by the way, this is the main manifold for this subfloor heating. It's still missing the thermostats. Well, better said, it's not the thermostats, it's the valves that open and close when the thermostat calls for heat. Yeah. I will try to make a video tomorrow when the company comes and pours the Screed. This is one of those things that I cannot do myself, because you would probably need thousands of pounds to carry up here and mix and all that. I'm not gonna do that. I did the subfloor heating and all the work that is associated with it, but the actual pouring will be made by a company, will be done by a company. Alright, I will try to keep you all updated a little more in the upcoming time. I hope I have a little more time to make some new content on my channel. I really wanted to, but I was very busy with all the work I did here. And I will also show you some video of the other parts that I remodeled here and the addition. But for now, I would say it's a good time to close up this video and say goodbye. See you next time.